Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the job safe. Disconnect the negative battery and wait at least 10 minutes so airbag capacitors drain. Next, remove steering column covers and lower dash trim to expose fasteners. Be methodical so you don't break plastic clips. Once done, unbolt visible Torx and Phillips screws and pry out center console trim panels. Make sure to label each electrical connector and bag bolts by location so reassembly is straightforward, and you keep track of small parts. You now tackle the complex middle work. Remove the instrument cluster screws and tilt it forward to expose the rear harness. Gently unplug connectors using release tabs so you don't damage pins. Next, remove the radio and HVAC controls, then extract the climate control module after unclipping its wiring. Once those are clear, support the dash with soft blocks to prevent sagging, and remove hidden bolts beneath the windshield cowl and inside the glove box area, so the dash can begin to free itself from the chassis. You finish by disconnecting every remaining harness, airbags, sensor connectors, lighting, and HVAC ductwork. Remember to unclip heater hoses only if necessary and cap them. Then carefully pull the dash forward and lift it out, scanning for trapped cables or hoses as it clears the firewall. If resistance occurs, stop, recheck for missed fasteners and harnesses, and use gentle leverage. Never force the dash. One key troubleshooting tip: if an airbag light appears after reinstall, double-check connector seating and battery, reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.